So today I would like to share with you that I have won in another Instagram contest from MadamMMStyleIcon's giveaway in 2021. And part of the prize money, I decided to get myself my very first Coach bag from the Coach outlet. And I'm very excited to share with you my bag. So here is my very first bag that I bought from Coach outlet. This is called Serena Satchel in the signature print, brown and black color. The last time that I have made a video about the Serena, it was not mine. I just borrowed it from my sister, and because I really want to have my own as well, so I bought it in a different color. In case you haven't seen that video yet, I will just link it up here in case you want to watch it. So this is the bag. Very happy that I was able to get it from the outlet and in a very discounted price. So that is the name, Signature Serena Satchel. That's brown black. So let's now remove it from the plastic. So there, it really is very beautiful. It has this gold hardware and logo. That is the tag. So I'll remove them now. So here, just got my scissors and I'm really happy how carefully they pack their bags with this paper so that it will not be scratched or so that there will not be any dents. Let's also remove this first. It's very carefully covered with this plastic and foam and paper. So there, it looks like this on the front, and then on the sides still has this plastic right here, and then it has one outer pocket right here. It's just a slit pocket. It doesn't have any zippers, and then it has this logo. This is their signature logo. And then on the inside, it does have two zippered pockets on the front. Some more paper inside. Okay, some silica. So the front doesn't have any pockets. It is just a plain space for the things. Let's see at the back. At the back side, more paper. And then at the back, another silica. So at the back, they have the creed right here at the back with a pocket, slit pocket, and inside they have this care card and this And my bag is made in, let's see, it is made in Vietnam. So this bag comes in two compartments, zippered compartments. On the front, it doesn't have any pockets, while on the back, does have one slit pocket with the creed there, but the space in the middle on these compartments are identical in size. I really love how they do their bags. It's very, very, very well made. And if you can see, original bags, authentic bags of Coach does have logos on their hardwares. So it does have logo in here, even here on the keychain. It does have the logo right there as well. And then it does have logos on this zipper pulls and on this sling. It does have many logos as well, as I have seen on the other bag. And I'm really very happy that I bought the darker one because I can use it in many outfits, in different outfits. So here you can see one logo right there, and then it also has a logo right here, I'm sure, yes, in this area. And then of course same as the other one in this button. Yeah, I'm really very excited to use this bag. I would like to say thank you to MadamMMStyleIcon for being generous in sharing her blessings, and I will link her YouTube and her Instagram on my description box below. If you're interested in luxury items, she has a lot of beautiful collection. Please do visit her channel and subscribe and follow. So that's it for today. I really hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. And always remember to thank God for all these beautiful blessings. Till next time.